In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom gradient in Canva. To get started, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. From your homepage, choose the type of design you want to work on, like a presentation, a social media post, or a custom-sized canvas. This step is important because your gradient will automatically fit the size and format you pick here. Once your blank canvas opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see your main toolbar with options like Templates, Elements, and Text. Click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps all of its shapes, graphics, and, most importantly for us, gradient elements. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type Gradient. Canva will show you a variety of gradient options, including shapes, lines, and full background gradients. You can scroll through these and pick the style that best matches your design. For a background, it's usually easiest to choose a rectangle or a full-page gradient. Click on the gradient you like, and it will appear on your canvas. Resize it by dragging the corners out until it fully covers your design area. If it doesn't snap into place right away, just stretch it slightly beyond the edges to be sure there are no gaps. Now, let's customize the colors. With the gradient selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on the color tile. You'll see the different color stops that make up your gradient. Click on one of these color stops to change it. You can pick from your default palette, choose from your brand colors if you've set them up, or use the color picker to dial in an exact shade. Then, repeat this process for the other color stops until you're happy with the blend. Take a moment to experiment here. Try pairing a light and a dark color for contrast, or use two shades from the same color family for a softer, more subtle look. You can always undo changes if something doesn't look right. When your gradient looks good, you can start layering content on top of it. Add text, photos, icons, or illustrations and adjust their colors so they stand out clearly against the background. If the gradient feels too strong, lower its transparency slightly using the transparency slider at the top right. Finally, when everything is in place, click Share or Download. Choose your file format and export your design. That's how you create a custom gradient in Canva.